Three factors I can point to which are necessary for Europe and Italy to embrace around being increasingly innovative. One, focus on reform of the universities and bringing entrepreneurship and innovation culture into the heart of the Italian public university system. Part of this involves strengthening autonomous independent student entrepreneurship societies and clubs inside the Italian polytechnics and public universities. Two, at Stanford, we found that using a T model for educating students where you have depth but also breadth across multiple disciplines is very important and provides for a better way for team collaboration and for stronger innovative work together in comparison to the traditional I model of many European public universities. And three, I would recommend that Italy needs to increasingly focus on where it's going in terms of product design and bringing new product design teaching and research programs into its engineering and medical schools.